back with my brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to create these lovely luxurious hair clips. So yes, this is my very first DIY video where I'm going to show you how to make your own letters. Yes, as per your requirement you can actually make your own letters. You don't need to buy it online, offline or from anywhere. So I hope you guys will like the video. So you have to watch this video till the end to know the entire process. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's just get into the video. So first thing we need is a scissor to cut the crystal string into pieces. And another thing we need is this crystal string. It's available online and also it's available in the jewelry making stores. Another thing we need is this Fevikwik. We'll use this to stick everything. The last but not the least, we have these hairpins where we'll stick the letters. Now these are the stuffs we need to make the hair clips. So now let's just move to the process. So this is the very first step. At first you just need to count the number of stones you need to create the letters. So here I'm taking 6 small stones and I'm cutting it. So these crystal strings are not at all strong and steady. So let's just move to the second step where we can make it strong and stable. So at first you just need to compress it like this, and you have to make it straight and compressed so that it remains intact after applying the glue. Then you need to apply the glue all over the string, especially on each and every joint, so that it remains steady and stagnant. And here it is, after drying it just becomes so steady and strong. Now you can make the letters very easily. So I already had 7 steady strings and I kept them aside, and now I'm going to make A and N. I followed the same process and I made this, and this is actually for the letter A. So now I'll show you the process how to make steady letters. I'm going to make A at first. So all you gotta do is you just need to take 2 steady strings and you just need to keep them side by side and attach them to each other very closely. And on the very first stones, on the very first 2 stones, you need to drop the Fevikwik. Be very careful while doing this, and as per your requirement you can easily create the gap. Fevikwik dries really quickly, so you will see the result immediately. So I won't be adding those small 2 crystals at this point of time. I'll add it later on. You guys can see how amazing it's looking. So let's just move to the second letter. Now I'm going to create the letter N following this same process. It's super simple and super easy, but you just need to be careful while doing this. Those small 2 stones at the middle portion of the letter A to complete it. So I made and kept another letter N aside. Now you guys can see A and N is completely ready, and now it's time to stick it on the hairpin. Now on this thin hairpin we are going to stick these letters to get the perfect hair clip. So before attaching the letters you need a book or copy, and on the front cover of the book or copy you need to attach the hair clip like this. Then you need to apply the glue on it and then the letters. And after applying the letter you need to move the hair clip to make sure that the clip or the letter did not get stuck on the book cover or copy cover. And in this way you're just going to attach each and every letter, and yes, you'll be done. Definitely our hair clip is ready, but because of the Fevikwik gum, many crystal stones actually lost its shine. So let's get it back. So all you gotta do is you need a cotton dipped in nail remover and you just need to run it on the stones and you'll get back the shine. So now you can see the final look of the clip. It's shining and it's looking so amazing. Video, I just want to share a few tips with you guys. So tip number 1 is buy that crystal strings offline. Do not buy it online because they actually sell in bundles and you don't require that much product and you'll end up wasting a lot of money at the same time because that one bundle costs probably 300 to 400 or more than that. So I'd suggest you go to the nearby DIY store and get the crystal strings offline. If you are from my hometown, I'll definitely give the names in the description box so that you can go and buy it from there. Tip number 2 is whenever you're applying the glue, after applying the glue, just make sure that where you have placed that stones or anything, that letter or stone or the string, make one thing sure that the stone or clip or the letter do not get stuck on the surface while you're keeping it. So keep on moving. After applying the gum, just move it like this so that just to make sure that it did not get stuck on the surface. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you're new and if you are interested. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. Till then, bye bye.